Allow us to introduce you to our Message in a Speaker, our PIR-activated speaker with inbuilt audio player. This speaker is part of our Message in a Speaker range designed to provide high-quality movement-activated audio to any public space. Our Message in a Speaker is powered by a standard 3-pin power supply. It can be triggered by movement with an inbuilt PIR sensor or can be used in a looping mode. Volume is easily adjustable by the control provided on the rear panel. MP3 content is stored and programmed via a micro SD card text file. There are 4 different play modes, including continuous loop, single track trigger,
Abbey life was highly structured, and the choir monks followed a strict routine.
Sequential trigger,
Miss Isabel Simpson was...
Welcome to President Grant's and...
Got the token here, Bill?
and background trigger.
Throughout the 1920s, Bryn Mawr struggled in poverty.
A maximum of 99 files can be added to the player. The speaker also features a trigger delay option that prevents a re-trigger after playback of an audio file. This can be very useful for your visitor flow. The speaker can be used freestanding or mounted onto a wall with the mounting brackets supplied. Thanks to the unique space and cable-saving design, our Message in a Speaker can help to bring a touch of high-quality, surprise audio to any location. To find out more about our Message in a Speaker range, visit our online shop or get in touch with us if you have any queries.